Let's say that you read a poem that has been written by one of your classmates and you're really impressed by the way the poem has been written. And you also notice the fact that there is no copyright notice that has been attached to the poem. So you decide to dedicate this poem to your girlfriend without mentioning the original name of the author, that is the person who actually wrote the poem, or even bothering to seek permission from your classmate who is the original author of this poem. Now, two questions are going to be addressed in this particular lecture. The first one is, just because no copyright notice has yet been attached to that poem, does it mean that you are free to copy it? And secondly, as far as the author of the poem is concerned, that is your classmate, since he has not yet published the poem in the form of a book or in any magazine or anywhere else, so since it has not yet been officially published, so does that mean that he cannot use the copyright notice? That is, can he not attach a copyright notice to a work that has not yet been published? Okay, first of all, let's answer the first question. And well, let's start with a little bit of background. So once upon a time in the past, the law was such that if the publication of a work is without a copyright notice, this meant that the owner of the copyright has lost his or her copyright in that work. So yes, in the past, the situation was that if the particular piece of work has not been accompanied with a copyright notice, then the lack of that copyright notice meant that it caused loss of copyright for the original owner. Now, this was obviously the situation in the past and it's no longer the case these days. However, some people continue to believe that they are free to copy any work as long as it does not have a copyright notice attached to it. And at this point, if you are wondering what exactly is a copyright notice, in case you have never seen one, so a copyright notice simply consists of a symbol, that is the symbol C that you can see on the screen right now. Or if you don't use this symbol C, then you can instead use the word copyright in full, and then next to this symbol C, you just have to write the date, that is the year at the time you publish your work, and next to it you have to write your name, that is the name of the copyright owner. So coming back to what I was saying, previously it was the case that if you publish a work without a copyright notice, this meant automatically that it caused loss of your copyright. However, this is no longer the case. So if you think that you still can continue to freely copy any work that does not bear a copyright notice, then you are wrong, because this aspect of the law has been changed a long time ago. So the answer to the first question is simply that just because that particular piece of poetry that you see written by your classmate does not contain any copyright notice attached to it, that doesn't give you the freedom or the authority to simply copy it and use it and dedicate it to your girlfriend. Okay, now another related point to this particular point is that if there is no copyright notice attached to that work, then if you remember, it's going to be difficult to prove ownership of the work and of course then claim damages. So always remember that copyright notice, just like copyright registration, works the same way. That is, if you have attached a copyright notice to your own work, then it's going to be a lot more easier to prove that you are the actual author of that work. And if you have not attached a notice, then proving the same is going to be relatively more difficult. However, as long as you can prove that you are indeed the owner of the work, that is, you are the original author of the work, then even though it is not accompanied with a copyright notice, you can still obtain an injunction from the court. And an injunction simply means that you can ask the court, request the court to at least stop the other party from continuing to copy your work. And this simply means that the court is going to pass an injunction, to order an injunction which will put a bar on the other party from making any further copies of your work, even though it was not accompanied with a copyright notice. And remember that an injunction is also a remedy, but it's not the same as getting damages for the breach of your copyright. So it's not the same as getting damages in the form of money, but at least you can stop the other person from further infringement of your copyright. So even that is an adequate remedy in certain cases. Okay, so we are done with discussing the point related to the first question, which was that what are the consequences of not having a copyright notice attached to your original work? And if you do have a copyright notice attached to your original work, how is that going to help you when it comes to seeking damages or any other remedy from the court, such as barring the other party from further infringement? Okay, now let's answer the second question that I asked at the start of this lecture. So the second question was, is copyright registration a prerequisite to the use of a copyright notice? And by the way, prerequisite simply means that do you have to first register your copyright with the relevant authorities before you can even use this copyright notice, the sample which I just shared earlier on the screen? So the answer to this particular question is simply that no, copyright registration is not a prerequisite to the use of a copyright notice. So in other words, you don't necessarily have to go through the registration process or even apply for registration before you can use the copyright notice. So always remember that once you have written something or created something, you don't have to wait until the copyright registration process is started and completed. So you are free to use a copyright notice with your work as soon as you create it. That is, the moment you create something original, always feel free to attach a copyright notice to that piece of work immediately as soon as you have created it, without waiting for starting the relevant registration process or without waiting to complete the relevant registration process. So in short, to summarize this particular point, you can include a copyright notice in your work before registering the copyright with the relevant authorities. And in fact, now that you are clear about this rule, let me tell you that the opposite is in fact the case. That is, a copyright notice should definitely be placed on all of your original work even before you have published that work, because this is really important. So in the meantime, that is, until your work actually gets published officially in a book form or in a magazine, there is a possibility that somebody might come across your work and really like the work and decide to copy it. So if you are going to wait to attach the copyright notice to your work until it gets published or until you get your copyright registered officially, so obviously this is going to be taking a long time, and in the meanwhile somebody else might come across your work and just feel free to copy it because it does not even contain a copyright notice. Because that is what most people think, that is, they are free to copy any work as long as it does not contain a copyright notice. But we know now that that is not true. Just because it does not contain a copyright notice does not give the freedom or the authority to anyone to copy it. However, it's going to be more difficult for you to prove that you are the actual and original author of the work. So it's better to attach a copyright notice as soon as you have created something of your own. And it's going to be much easier to ask for a remedy, be it damages or be it an injunction from the court. So always remember, in short, that you can definitely include a copyright notice in your work before getting it published or even before you get it registered with the Copyright Office. And if you are not the creator of a work and instead you are deciding whether you can copy somebody else's work, the answer is a big no. That is, just because it doesn't contain a copyright notice does not mean that you are free to copy it.